Tanse, good afternoon. We are the Cree Canaries, and this video is specially made for Elmwood, and it's to help you guys celebrate the remembrance of residential schools, the survivors, the ones that did not come home. And one of our beliefs as Indigenous people is the drum teachings and wolfpack teachings. It brings healing to everybody who hears the sound of the drum, and today that's our main goal, is to share some of that good medicine with each and every single one of you guys. Like I said before, we're called Cree Canaries. These are all my children, and I'm very proud of them. They came along a long way throughout the last couple of years as the youngest children's drum group in North America. And we did a lot of traveling this year. We traveled maybe over, I gotta say, about 60,000 kilometers in total, going different locations, traveling to residential schools, traveling to sacred fire events, memorials for the residential school findings. Basically anywhere they called us, we're always there to answer the call. So anyways, I'm going to start off by introducing my children here. Over here we got Promise. Tanse. Over here we got Shirley. Tanse. This is my oldest daughter, my firstborn daughter. Her name is Harmony. She's the captain of the girls. She helps her younger sisters learn how to sing, and it's not easy being a young singer, let me tell you, because when I was younger there's a lot of children that sang all the time, and then as the years passed it kind of slowed down. And so we're trying to bring back singing. We're trying to bring back youth. We encourage other children to get active, to start singing, and to not be shy, not hold back. If you have a gift, share it with the world. That's the best thing you could do. So these are my sons. My son here, he's 12 years old. He's a lead singer, Nathaniel. Say hi. That's it. Over here is my firstborn child. His name's Tyron. Tanse. I'm super proud of him. He takes care of the drum. He makes sure it's heated up, makes sure that it's taken care of, it's in a safe, sacred, clean place, and that it's always ready to go when we're called upon. And over here I got my son Mario. I'm Mario, this is Mario Jr. Yeah, he's the youngest lead singer, and at the beginning of the spring, I told him, I was like, if you want to come to BC, my boy, you got to learn how to lead sing. And I was joking, I wasn't pressuring him, right? And that inspired him. Next thing you know, he become a really good lead singer, and you guys are going to see that shortly. When we start singing songs, we place tobacco on the drum, which we already have. It's a sacred ceremonial thing, and we say a prayer, all of us, and we pray to the drum spirit because it connects us with Mother Nature, the Creator, our ancestors, and it gives us strength to do the job that we do. So this first song that we're going to be singing for you guys is it's an activation song. It makes you feel good. It's a warrior song, and we call it Cornell Hunting because it's a hunting song. And it was one of our very first songs that we started getting good at. So we're going to start off with that one. You guys ready?
Yeah!
our first songs we created, and it's easy for children to sing. It's called Cornell's Hunting. So that's the first song that we're going to share with you guys today. My children, they go to school in the Saskatoon Public School Division. This is actually their school. How do you say your guys' school name?
School.
Exactly. And it used to be called Confed Park School, so they switched the name. We're really grateful for it. And my oldest boy here, which school do you go to?
Skyack High School.
Skyack. He goes to the Greater Catholic School Division, and it's where the culture is. Is that where my children like to go? So there's the contractors here. So this next song we're gonna sing, it's an honor song. It's to honor all the missing and Indigenous men, women, children, also the residential schools survivors, and the ones that never made it home. And when we're making the song, we're creating it so that each and every single one of my children could imagine what the children went through. There's a story that I shared with them that was passed on, where a group of kids, they got taken from their parents, they got brought into a residential school. There's 4 of them, and there's an older brother that took off the second week. It was in the fall. He went running through the bush, and the siblings, they watched from the window as their brother ran, and he was never caught. And so the siblings, they felt really happy that he made it home. So come springtime, when they got sent back home, they're happy they got to see their brother, so they got home. And when they got home, it was a sad discovery that he never made it home. He was never heard from again. So those are the type of stories that are passed on with us to share, to spread awareness of some of the things that happened in residential school. And me as a parent, I can't imagine my children being taken, and it really hurts. So this is the best thing we can do as heal as a nation. So this next song, like I said, we're gonna start it off with just the vocals, and then we're gonna pick up with the drumming, and from there we're going to end with the buffalo.
Yeah.
So this is our last and final song we're going to share with you guys today, and we like to leave everybody happy. So this song that we're going to sing, it's called Rainbow Medicine, and what happened is we're all experiencing a hard time with the previous pandemic that we're still actually in. We're at home, and the song came to us to help lift everyone's spirits out there that are having hard times. It's to give everybody strength and to help people through all the hardships they may be having. So the song has a lot of meaning to it, to many different people. As we traveled to Canaries, to the residential school, we shared the song. So before we sang the song, I explained it just like I'm doing today, and we said it was the Rainbow Medicine, and they started crying over there, and we're wondering why. I was like, are we not allowed to be talking about rainbows over here? And they said, no, it's a good thing, because about a couple 100 years ago, prior to you guys coming here, is foreseen that there was going to be a sadness, a storm that's going to develop on the west coast, and it's going to move east. As soon as it moves east, it's going to generate in size. It's going to get bigger and bigger, and it's going to leave the nation in tears. And what they said is that the rainbow after the storm is always a good feeling. It's good medicine. And they said it's going to hit the mountains, and then it's going to come. It's going to come in a physical form as children, and it's going to be called Rainbow Medicine. And the story was shared with me after I shared our part of the story. So it was foreseen that we're going to go over there and sing the song to help people cope with what's been going on. So yeah, it's a nice sunny day out here, and we're going to try our very best. It's kind of windy. It's going to help us sing a lot better, guys. Okay. Mary, let's go. Thanks, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's show. Thank you guys all for celebrating, wearing your orange shirts. It means a lot to us as Indigenous people. I hope you guys say, Moisés.
Moisés!